This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 22nd of March. I'm Michael Groff. The weather begins to warm up this weekend and early next week. Temperatures going well above average. In fact, we should see the warmest temperatures we've had in about 5 months around here by around Tuesday or so. How long does the warm weather last? When can we expect our next chance of rain? Let's talk about it. First, we'll take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 70 degrees, the high in the valley after a low of 57, which occurred at 11:59 p.m. We also picked up a trace of rain officially at Sky Harbor. A few spots around the valley saw some measurable precipitation. Outside right now here at 7:50 a.m. We've got mostly clear skies to start this day. And it's 54 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 39, humidity 58%, the winds are calm, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 36 is the cold spot. Burr, over there at Fort McDowell. It's in the 40s in many locations, low 50s for us here in the urban core. The upper air look across the country, we've got that short wave passing through the area, and that's ushering in some cooler air to the region, but that'll be very short-lived as a ridge is going to build in behind it. The watch warning map, we've got winter weather advisories north of the state through the interior west, parts of the Dakotas, the Plain States, some dense fog advisories out there, and winter storm warnings, some winter weather advisories for the northeast. Convective outlook for today, we've got the slight risk of severe storms around Amarillo and Plainview, Texas, with a marginal risk around Clovis, New Mexico, Lubbock, Midland, Odessa, and the rainfall outlook valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley, well, nothing, and nothing statewide as we look to enter into an extended period of dry weather, and we'll detail all of that now as we get out to the models and have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon, and there's our little shortwave moving on out of here through the southern Rockies and out into the Plain States later today. Behind it, a dry west and northwesterly flow. So down at the surface, mostly sunny skies here in the valley. A beautiful day. Get out and enjoy it. Not many of these left. Highs in the low 70s. Tonight, mostly clear skies in the evening. We'll see some clouds coming in as the system passes north of us. But overall should be nice with lows mainly in the upper 40s and low 50s. And then tomorrow, the day starts out partly sunny, but we'll see decreasing clouds in the afternoon. Again, not too bad. Highs mid and upper 70s. Ridging will become the dominant weather feature in here starting Sunday. We'll see those sunny skies and high temperatures close to 80. Then on Monday, the ridge really starts to get pumped up in response to a developing system out over the eastern Pacific. High temperatures on the rise, but an increase in high clouds will take place late in the day. Still, highs should get into the low and middle 80s. Tuesday, this might very well be the warmest day of the forecast period. Highs upper 80s to near 90, despite the fact that we'll have mostly cloudy skies, but they'll just be mainly mid and high-level clouds. The sun should be able to shine through at least most of the time through the veil of cloudiness. And then Wednesday, we'll still call it partly sunny. It'll still be very warm too. Highs likely in the mid and upper 80s. On Thursday, that system tries to make some headway here through the interior west, but all the energy, the moisture, the dynamics stay north of Arizona. So again, partly sunny skies. High temperatures should back off a bit. We'd be closer to 80. And then a week from today, this is Friday, the 29th. Got a weak shortwave north of the state. Some clouds around here. The heights coming down a bit, so temperatures would come down somewhat too. Highs upper 70s and low 80s. And going out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Sunday, the 31st of March, the end of the month. And now a ridge comes back in here. That wave moves over the southern plains. It'll be wet in the Gulf Coast, but dry here in the southwest. Rain well off the west coast. We'll watch that developing system there, but looks like we'd be back in the mid 80s likely, with the skies becoming mostly sunny again. Checking out those temperatures through the period off the GFS Ensemble. Yeah, the Ensemble's got us all the way up to 88 on Tuesday, 87 on Wednesday, and then temperatures going down just a bit. Overall, though, these are temperatures that we would expect to see here in Phoenix in late March and early April. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a fantastic Friday and a great weekend.